Hey everyone, welcome to Spilled Paint Furniture Flippers. In this short video, you'll see that we took this mid-century modern dresser and gave it a new life. You won't see the entire process. For some reason, I think I forgot to record some of the process. So here you're going to see that we've already cleaned, scuff sanded, and primed the dresser, and now it's been sprayed 2 coats of Benjamin Moore Command paint in the color black. We just love this black paint because it's a true black. It doesn't have any blue or gray undertones. It's the blackest black that we've been able to find, and we really love it. So for this dresser, we decided to just keep the natural color of the wood, and so we removed the original finish from the wood by stripping it with circa 1850 stripper, and then sanded the drawers down. And once that was done, we applied 2 coats of polyurethane, which basically just brings out the beauty of the wood grain. We're pretty happy with how it turned out. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts on it. So our client decided that she'd be so kind to send us some photos of this piece in her home. So look at, here it is in its new home. Our next project is the matching long dresser or sideboard that goes with this dresser, and we'd love for you to stay tuned so you can see what we do with this one. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing to our channel, and continuing to watch for more content.